I just got a new pair of Bruno Marc Chukka boots. These are the 2.0s, brown, and they're supposed to be casual, lightweight. Let's see. All right. Certainly exactly what I was wanting. All right, cool. So they are definitely mid to lightweight. What's interesting about these is they say they're creaseless or crease resistant. And so you know how boots are, a lot of times you'll get these creases, and so this is supposed to somehow resist that. I like that a lot. I'm curious to see how it plays out. This insole here, stitching looks really nice, and the brown kind of gives it a wood look. It's really rubbery, really grippy. I think that's gonna work out well. But what about the insole? Let's see here. I would say medium to slightly above medium as far as the cushion. There's definitely some there built up. Stitching on the actual shoe itself looks clean. Laces look good. Yeah, like if you look at the inside here too, it's kind of lined, kind of soft. So you could possibly go sockless with this because of that. I'm probably gonna wear higher socks, but you could. I don't know, I'm liking it. All right, so this is the brown. I believe it comes in black as well. First impressions are very positive. And I would say kind of medium weight, maybe lightweight, but you know, for a big boot, they should have some weight to it, and it does. The toe box here is actually pretty solid as well. It's obviously not steel toe or anything, but like it feels quite rigid. So I like that. You don't want those collapsing on you. All right, cool. All right, I'm gonna wear these this week, and I'll get back with you. Oh man, these are sharp. So pretty lightweight, good insole, good comfort all day. I went ahead and laced them up and tucked these laces, and I left these out because people wear them differently. I went no sock today. I will not do that again. I definitely need a higher sock because this collar is not super cushioned. It will be totally fine with a higher sock, but this was a bad call this morning. But the shoe itself is nice. I like it. Reached out to Bruno Marc. They kindly sent these to me for review. These are probably the ones I was most excited about, just because they are just a brown boot, but it has like a nice little patina look that actually has not developed over time. This is the first time I've worn these. So I just like that patina. Anyway, cool boot, I like them. I think you will as well. All right, hope that helps.